On last week's Wagoneer Wednesday video, I talked a little bit about cutting a hole in the side of my 1986 Jeep Grand Wagoneer project, and this is for the quarter patch panel. I've been waiting so long to install this thing, and so far it's going pretty good. There's a few issues here and there along the way. I have one of my friends helping me out, and him and I found something very, very interesting, and I thought I would kind of share it and link a video down below in case you're wondering exactly what we found. Go on over to the description box and check out that video. So here's a little recent recap on the few things that the Jeep has gotten done to it. So my friend and I put in the quarter patch panel, and before we put it in, we had to do a little bit of prep work. That involved taking a piece of metal from an old patch that I just had laying around and welding it to the back side of the new quarter patch panel that was going on the Jeep. So that way, the new metal that was put on the quarter patch panel can be slipped in behind the original quarter. Hopefully that makes sense to you. If it doesn't, comment down below and I'll type it out as best as I can. So here in this video clip, this looks pretty nasty, I'm not gonna lie to you, and I can explain myself. This stuff is called 3M weld through, and it is placed on bare or raw metal. It prevents the metal from rusting or corroding, and apparently all these 3M weld through cans are absolute junk, which is such a shame because 3M is such a great brand overall, but not this weld through stuff. Here's some video footage of my friend and I welding the new piece of metal to the quarter patch panel, grinding the welds, and prepping it out. And we're getting ready to install the new quarter patch panel on the Jeep. If you've enjoyed the video so far, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. A lot of time goes into making these videos and also working on this Jeep. So if you like what you see and you're excited to see this Jeep Grand Wagoneer back out on the road with a brand new body almost and a fresh new paint job, again, give the video a like and subscribe for Wagoneer Wednesdays at 7 p.m.